We built this city. Yeah, we built this city on rock and roll. Welcome back to a great video. Welcome back to another god-awful video that I upload once a week about, I try to, at least. Yeah. So today, I'm talking about why I love the third generation classic. This is a 30 gigabyte model. I love the 30 gigabyte third gens because all the threes. It sounds cool. Anyways, let's start with when it was made. It was made in 2003. Surprise! That's my birth year, so gotta have some importance with that. Also, love the design. Apple never did this design again because they went to the click wheel after this. Look at that cool design. It's all touch, no buttons. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I love how they glow too. You see how they glow? They glow red. Look at that. Look at that supreme lighting technique. That's pretty cool. These also are kind of like me. They're kind of hard to use if you don't have the right equipment because these things use FireWire to charge. They use FireWire to charge. They can sync through FireWire, but they can also sync through USB. They just can't charge through USB. So if you have one of these docks around, this one came with my third gen bad boy. You plug it in, and there you go. It's charging. Beautiful. Gay screen. Look at that. Beautiful. Anyway, let's go. They don't have battery. These are really easy to place a battery in. These are probably one of the easiest iPods to open. They're not that bad. Battery life is pretty good once you have a new one in here. I don't think I've charged this thing in a couple weeks, but I also haven't used it. Tells you how much I love it. Anyways, also, the blue screen is also pretty cool. Features, guys. Get the headphone jack up here. You also have one of the right here. If you want to use one of those like little headphone controllers that came with them, you can use those. Look how thick it is. I like thick pods. They're pretty cool. Browses gay porn epically. Anyways, guys, that's why I love the third generation bad boy. So what we got here is a 40 gigabyte. This is the biggest storage option you can get for this iPod. This one needs a new battery. It's pretty weak. Only lasts like a day or two on standby. So I think it's time to replace it. So basically, get your iPod, get your mat down, or whatever you're gonna use. You gotta find where's my pry tool? Oh, right here. Okay. Yeah, we're good. We saved the day. Basically, when you open these bad boys, kind of like all the other iPods, you kind of go in, like this. Oh, oh, oh. This one's never been opened before. It's pretty cool. Oh, and the metal is broken at the bottom here. Or not the metal, the little plastic, the little right there, that's broken. You can't see it on camera, but it moved. Guys, undo the, oh, there we go. Ooh, we got it. Now when you open these bad boys, you have a little ribbon cable that's connecting this back case to the motherboard. You gotta undo that very gently. This thing is really weak. You gotta wiggle it out. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Sometimes, I'm not even gonna do it. You can sometimes leave them in. Just go like this very gently. Very gently. There you go. You gotta improvise here, guys. That's what this channel's all about. I'll do the hard drive. You can tell it's never up. Look at the little copper piece right here. This thing goes up. You gotta pull this. Oh, there's a little. Need that. Take that out. Undo this. Undo the hard drive like that. And there's the 40 gigabyte drive. Now, this is on. I gotta get one of my tools. So basically, got this little battery thing right here. You gotta undo one of these screws to get it. It's underneath the motherboard. There's a little screw. Put it right there. We're not gonna lose that ever in my life. Gotta undo this bad boy. I might keep this battery around for testing because it's not inflated. but oh my Jesus. Okay, we got a little mess here, guys. Kind of what happens on this channel. Oh, the battery, it's stuck to the bottom of this hard drive connector. Oh, there it is. Basically, you went, get out of there, get out of there. And there you go. That's all you gotta say to it, and it comes out. Get out of there. There's your original battery. Yeah, it's greasy. HQ Corp. I might keep that. My hands are sticky. Okay, we got a new one here. Wait. Hold on. I don't know if I can show that. It says iPod 3rd. So you know it's for the 3rd gen. Look at that. These guys have small batteries too. Okay, so you want to do this. You can't do it the cheater way. You have to go the full length. Putting this thing down. Get in there. Hilka, hilka, hilka. Hilka, 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 hilka. I'm literally going to destroy this iPod. Like, it's no joke at this point. Yeah, I'm removing this hard drive thing right now. Yes, I use my fingers. I don't care. Blame me in the comments below. Maybe. I had too much swagger and it made it really difficult for me to get it. Point of view, your boy Marky subscriber. So now we've got that little hard drive connector out of the way. You can put this battery in like this. Get in there. You gotta go down with this battery. This is gonna be the end of me. I'm me for a while. Keep on going. I'll do this one. My mental sanity drops with every iPod I open. Anyways, guys, we almost got this. It's in the bag. There we go. Look at that. Look at there. Look at that there. We got it. Hilka, 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 hilka. Gotta go like this. Hilka, 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 hilka. Hilka, 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 hilka. There we go. The battery is down. Now it's time to put the screws back. These are going to be the reason why the world almost died this year. Thanks, 2020. Very cool. Okay, guys, we have a small issue here. Get these screws back in. Hopefully, I don't screw myself. I'm funny, guys. I know I am. That's why I upload. Get her down in there. Who's messaging me on Roblox? The Roblox site that we know and love. Who sent me a message? Oh, it's from a local fan. Anyways, let's try to get this hard drive connector back in. There we go. And there we go. Guys, this could never be done without your special help and work. I dedicate this iPod to everyone who's watched and viewed my videos. You have got me to the place where I am now with this great YouTube channel that I'm growing every day. Every day. Hilka, hilka, hilk. Ow, ow. Let's do this. There we go. Oh my Jesus. Oh my Jesus. Perfect. That look perfect. Hilka, 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 hilk. The real question. Does it turn on? Let's unplug this bad boy. It's my 30 gigabyte bad boy. Let's plug in my... Oh, let's turn it on. Let's see if it works. This works. I'll make out with you guys. It's doing some. It's doing some. It works! That's what I call a successful battery replacement on a 3rd generation. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video where I don't even know what I'm going to do yet. Have a good Christmas.
Do y'all have a right boob, a left boob, and then a middle boob? Or am I special? Well, don't answer that, please.